How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. So let's say you forgot your Android PIN, password, or pattern. So you just can't get in, you just can't use your Android phone. Well, you came to the right place because I'm gonna teach you how to reset your forgotten PIN, password, or pattern and create a new one. The best part about this process is that's the official way to do it. That's how Google actually recommends that we deal with this situation. This video is actually updated, it's universal, and it'll only work if the Android is yours. If you own it and you actually forgot your own password, PIN, or pattern. You're gonna understand why in a second. So let's just go ahead and begin. And the first thing you're gonna do is actually put your Android to the side because we're not gonna use it right now. What we're gonna do is actually get any other device you have available. And just to be clear, it doesn't even have to be yours. It can be another Android phone, it can be an iPhone, a tablet, it can be a desktop, a notebook, a laptop, it doesn't matter. It just has to have internet connection and we'll be able to make it work and reset your forgotten Android password. Okay, so let's begin. Open up your preferred browser on this device. It can be Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, doesn't matter either. And then go to this website, which is Google, and I'm gonna go with you, okay? So google.com/Android, as you can see, /find. Of course, I'm gonna also have this link in the description on the screen, so no mistakes. So google.com/Android/find, we're gonna get to the Find Hub. That's the official Google service to find devices, but it's gonna help us as well with resetting the password. Go ahead and sign in, and this is super important. You're gonna need to sign in to the very same Google account, as you can see, that you use on your Android phone. That's linked to your Android phone that you have logged in on your Samsung or any other Android phone. This is mandatory. You have to use the exact same Google account, otherwise we will not be able to actually find it. Okay, so just go ahead and log in to the very same Google account. I'm gonna do it right now, so let me go ahead and do it with you. So email, let's tap on next. And then password, same story. I'm just using this automatic login, but of course you can do it manually as well. And then it's gonna locate your device. Perfect. We even get the notification right here on the Android. So as you can see, Galaxy Z Fold 5, perfect. But of course, we don't want its location. We want this teeny tiny less option, factory reset device. So let me just be very clear. When we have a situation like this, when we have a forgotten passcode, password, PIN, pattern, we do need to necessarily reset the device. We need to factory reset, to format, to erase it completely. There's no other way. That's the official way. That's how Google recommends us to deal with this situation. So yes, we will factory reset it. We will wipe out everything from this phone, including our forgotten password. And then of course, we'll be able to create a new one because this phone will be blank, brand new, as if it was opened up out of the box for the very first time. Keep in mind that if you have a backup, you will be able to recover all your data later. And even if you don't have a backup, just with your Google account, you can recover quite a lot of your stuff, the majority of your stuff, your apps and everything like that, photos, videos, and so on. But just to be clear, there's no other way. We will need to factory reset your Android phone, okay? So let's tap on factory reset. Then we're gonna see multiple windows confirming that's what we wanna do. So next, and that's the only option. Of course, right here is asking us to choose an account. In my case, I'm gonna log in again to the very same Google account, which is the one I logged in before, which is the one, of course, that's right here logged to my Android. So let me go ahead and confirm it. fill my password, and then continue, once again confirming that this is the official process and only the owner will be able to do this, because only the owner will have the Google account information. Okay, so let's tap on next and confirm once again, and we're gonna see quite a lot of screens, as I mentioned before, a few pop-ups just confirming. So factory reset device, reset, erase all data, erase, as I mentioned, this is all that I have already explained you. Now we see Samsung right here, or of course your brand will appear saying and proving that the process has begun. As you can see, erase requested, you don't need to do anything else. You can just dismiss. You don't need this phone or tablet or computer or the device you're using it. The process has begun. You can actually leave it right here to the side, get your Android phone, put it right here and wait. As you can see, the reset process has begun and it'll just take like a couple minutes. And so we're at the welcome screen, confirming that we have finished the reset process. We're good to go. Our Android phone is at the brand new state, as if you have opened it up out of the box for the very first time. And as you can see, there's no PIN, password, pattern, or anything like that. We have removed everything. And all you have to do now really is just continue with the setup process. Again, as if you're just setting up your new Android phone, and you can continue with the process. And if you have a backup, you'll be able to recover that backup and recover all your data and files and apps and everything. And even if you don't, just with your Google account, you'll be able to recover a lot of your files as well. Now, there's just one page, one screen that I want to show you just so there are no mistakes. So let's just continue right here with the setup process. You can set up with another device or set up manually. Of course, go ahead and choose your Wi-Fi network. So just move on with the setup process and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so this is the screen I want to show you. Your phone may ask you to enter your PIN to unlock it, but that's the thing. You don't remember the PIN, right? That's the whole point of this video. But of course, we have the possibility to unlock the phone with your Google account. So the very same Google account that we have used on our secondary device to remotely reset it, right? The very same Google account that's linked to this device as well. You can just go ahead and type it in right here once again, your email and your password, and you'll be able to actually unlock this phone with your Google account information. So again, it will not require your PIN, password, or pattern, your old one, because you can go ahead and use your Google account instead. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using the very same Google account email and password. And then as I tap on next, right here, I'll be able to just unlock this phone and continue with the process. Right here is just a two-step verification. If you have that on your Google account, go ahead and do that as well. And then you're gonna get to this screen asking you how you wanna protect your phone, and that's exactly where you're gonna create your new PIN, password, pattern, fingerprint, face recognition, and so on. So just confirming that you don't need your old one ever with this process. We're actually able to fully reset and create your new one just with your Google account. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video as usual, guys. Bye-bye.